to Eureka Math. This is Module 6, Lesson 17, and we are drawing symmetric figures using distance and angle measures from the line of symmetry. Okay, so symmetric figures. You know, or you should know if you remember from 4th grade, that symmetric figures are figures that if I draw a line down the middle of them, they are exactly the same on either side. They're just mirror opposites of each other. So if you were to fold a piece of paper right here, you would see that this side and this side are symmetrical. And this line down the middle is called the line of symmetry. Okay? Now another example would be something like a heart, right? And if I drew a line down the middle, both sides are the same. So those are symmetric figures. And this line right here is the line of symmetry. So we're going to practice with that. Let's go to our Learn book. Please write your name. And draw to create a figure that is symmetric about AD. So we are not going to guess. We are going to use perpendicular lines to create symmetry. Okay? So right here, I'm going to draw a perpendicular line directly to the middle. Do you see how that's perpendicular? This is a 90-degree angle right there. And if you have your protractor, you can do that on your paper. Ooh, that one has a curve in it. Let me try again. Okay, now that I have two perpendicular lines to the line of symmetry, I'm going to measure those lines with my ruler. Okay? And I'm going to take those lines and I'm going to draw them identical on the other side. Okay, and I'm measuring them to make sure that they're the same size. Now that I've created this line of symmetry here, I can create 2 points there, okay? And then I can see a point from here to here, and I just connect the dots. Like you're a little kid, connect the dots. There we go. And now I have a perfect line of symmetry. And if I want to show that, I could then just erase those lines. And there's my line of symmetry, okay? Now, I didn't use a ruler because I'm writing on the board. However, yours should be perfect, okay? Now, you see how I did that? I used perpendicular lines to help me draw that figure. Okay. Draw precisely to create a figure that is symmetric about H1. Okay. Now, again, I'm going to find my perpendicular lines. So let me see here. I'm going to need a right angle here. Wait a minute. In fact, I'm going to use that right angle right there. Okay. And this right angle here. Okay, right angle. Then I'm going to repeat those on the other side. And this one is already, that's not a right angle at all, is it? Oh my gosh, that line's hard. That's okay. I can just measure it and draw straight across, like nice straight lines. Then here I'm going to draw this line straight across, measuring it to this point. And then here I can draw this straight line straight across. Oh! What am I doing? That is not right at all. Hang on, let me see. This is the line of symmetry, right? So, ooh, this is hard. Okay, I'm going to create a 90-degree angle here. There we go. That's better. Okay, so there's my 90 degrees there. So I have a 45-degree angle on this side and a 45-degree angle on that side. Then, I need to create another 90-degree angle here. Right? That's this one. Okay. There's that 90-degree angle right there. And this is at a strange angle, so I'm going to use this straight line here. And I'm going to go all the way up to there. Then I'm going to connect those. There we go. And then here, I can draw, this line's pretty bad. Okay. Right here to there, and then I can draw this line and that line. There we go. Now if I were to fold that in half along that line, it would be perfectly even. Okay, so there's a 90-degree angle here. Here's a 90-degree angle. Here's a 90-degree angle. Then I've drawn a straight line to there and a straight line to there, and those just helped me. And then I can actually do those in black so you can see that I've created this same shape. And the red was just helping me. Okay, there we go. Took me a second there. All right, complete the following construction in the space below. Let's go back to blue here. Plot 3 non-collinear points. Okay, non-collinear means that they're not along the line. And I'm going to call that one D, this one E, and this one F. Okay, draw DE. All right, so I'll connect the lines. EF and DF. Oh, I've just created a triangle. Plot point G and draw the remaining sides such that quadrilateral DEFG is symmetric about DF. So I'm going to make this, and I use a different color. This is going to be my line of symmetry right here. Okay, there's my line of symmetry. And what I want to do is create the exact thing on this side. So I'm going to make a nice perpendicular line. See, that's a 90-degree perpendicular line. And I'm going to measure it, and I'm going to draw the exact same perpendicular line on the other side. And then I can connect my points, and I have now made a symmetric shape. Okay? And what am I calling this one? I'm calling that one point G, right here. G. All right. Stu says that the quadrilateral HIJK is symmetric about HJ. Here's HJ. Because IL, I'm sorry, that's not IL. Because IL equals LK. Well, that's true. They are the same size. However, use your tools to determine Stu's mistake. What mistake did he make? And it's almost the same mistake I made in that last problem. Yes, I and K are the same size, but if I were to fold that together, I would not get the same shape, and I'm going to show you why. Okay, because I would need to make a 90-degree angle here. Let's see. In order to get K, right? So there's my 90-degree angle, and this means that that would go here, and then this angle these are tricky, aren't they? You have to really think about what you're doing. Okay, so this angle here should match the angle on the other side, and they do not. Okay, do not. This is an obtuse angle, and this is an acute angle. So let's try something here. I'm going to create a 90-degree angle there. Okay. And then I could make that equal across. Add a 90-degree angle. And then come up here and make another. Oops. Is that 90 degrees? I don't think it is. There, right there. Try again. This is hard. This is hard because you have to really get your brain to think in a different way. Yeah. Okay. I'm terrible at this. I'm not very good at this. I don't have to draw it to tell you that it's not the same. And you know it's not the same because this angle and this angle are not, they're 180 degrees, but they're not 90 and 90, which means that they're not even, okay? And this angle and this angle are not even, and this angle are not even, okay? So, explain your thinking using a protractor. I can see that the angles are not even on both sides. Okay, there we go. I would love to be able to make that for you. It's tricky for me. Okay, so your homework, create another shape, and remember, use 90 degree angles, okay? That's not a 90 degree angle. So you're going to need to create a 90 degree angle here. Ooh, sorry. Create a 90 degree angle here, and then you might want to create a 90 degree angle here. And then you can repeat those on the other side. And then just connect the dots. Okay. So, angles are everything. This one is great. This one's great. I'll do this one with you. Okay. So here's a 90 degree angle here. There's a 90 degree angle here. And then I also have this line here. So now I'm just going to repeat those 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, and then I connect the dots. And then I can take away the lines on the outside. Oh, this is the wrong one. And there I've created a symmetrical figure. All right. Okay, good luck with this. They didn't give you that difficult one at the end, so you should be okay. And then we're going to go right here to our exit ticket, and you're going to create a symmetrical shape on either side, and then you're done. Turned in your homework. Have a great day.